back. So this is what I need. So I got.
What do you have? Tell them what you have.
So I have this soap. I got some what is this?
Black pepper.
Black pepper, and I got some water and air cleaner. So I'm gonna put this in. Okay, dip it in. I'm just gonna set this on the side. And put the pepper. Black pepper. What? I think it's kind of leaking. I see it. How many hours? This is gonna take a while. So now come on. Put that back in here because it's some more electricity. There we go. That's good electricity.
Ooh.
And now what happens?
That is pretty cool.
Very cool.
Good job. And this was a science experiment?
Yes.
Nice.
But if you made a mistake, you can look at my video. So you do like blue soap, or you can do this kind of soap. Blue dish soap, or you can use yellow dish soap.
Okay.
And we can do it again. Maybe, well, you just have to, so if you want to do it again, you have to dump the water in, put this again, then put this, then get an ear cleaner and do it. Put water, you have to do it again.
Okay.
How you do it. Okay, bye!